me a good
Sticky spammer.
If I were a bad
Sticky spammer.
I wouldn't be sitting here discussing it with you now, would I?
Yeah, boy.
I've fallen, and I can't get up!
Gonna kill you and I'll keep killing you and I'll never, cause you're gonna be dead.
I'm out of here.
I'll take both of you on you.
Launching attack!
Couldn't you see the bloody bombs?
I can't believe you've done this.
I'm going to blast you into thin glue.
You need to shut the fuck
I've got you in my sights.
Boom! I got you, homie!
It's on! It's on like...
I will destroy you. Hello there.
Bruh.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Few moments later.
Let's wake him up. Good morning, you fucking dickhead! Fuck you, Dad! Easy!
Why are you... Here we go! Welcome to the Dominating Age!
Bruh.
Oh, off to a good start already.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, I need a drink!
お前は
Boom! Ah, that's the stuff!
Hey!
I'm Torgue, and I'm here to ask you one question, and one question only. Explosions?
Oh, they're going to have to glue you back together in hell!
No, 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 no.
You're a fucking idiot! Oh, I'm gonna beat you so hard you'll have a twitch! We did it! It's a pain thing, lad. Keep it up, lads! Thankfully, I already don't remember this. Thanks, mate!